maybe when it's done and I think it sits fine. Yeah, just secure it. I thought maybe drop micro crystal clear just in case, you know, but it's fine. Let me see. Yeah, those covered with a lacquer should be good. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, there is no vibration or anything. It should be fine. Okay. Yeah, you can adjust like moving those LEDs. That's fine. All right. Let's start with resistor. We'll go probably like here. Or really under the board. That's fine. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's do pickups. Okay, so fresh cut original wires. They are okay. Insulation shrinking, but again, no big deal. Okay, last one, common plus. Here we go. Done deal. A little bit wire management, probably like that. That's my original plan. When I'm going to put, I just need to put body on top. Just watch for those wires. I want them a little bit loose just in case if I need to open it again, so it's not really on the way. And now I'm going to do, just put Kapton tape on top. There we go. Okay. And keep that extra around so I can easy reach to it. Okay, this is it for this installation. I'm going to check it, then I put shell back. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.